Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change media output in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to change your media output, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to scroll down your control center, and here you might see the media output button here in your music section. You just have to click on media output, and here you might see available devices. It might be your phone speaker, any Bluetooth device you have connected, or any earphones or earbuds you have connected here. So you can easily switch between them, or if you are unable to find this option over here, so you have to click on this added option or the pencil icon over here. Click on it. Let's say I'm gonna remove this from here. Once I have removed, you can see there's no any media output button or media output option anymore. So I'm gonna get that back. Just click on this pencil icon, click on add as control, click on this media output button, keep a long press on it, and just set anywhere you want to set this. I have set it up here. Click on done. Now you might get media output button over here. You can easily check whenever you want to, or you can easily change your media output whenever you want in your Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.